Are you sometimes wondering about the audience that's in front of you right now? Like, truthfully, the kids, you're like, wow, when did this happen? Like, they just did that right in front of me. Like, kids didn't used to do this. This used to work. It doesn't work anymore. And sometimes that can feel really frustrating. But I want to give you a tip that I think can be super helpful because it's been really helpful for me. Sometimes we get stuck in the way it should be versus the way it is. And I think of this as my history as a history teacher. And when I taught history, there were so many things that happened in the world and that I was teaching kids about, so many happenings from, the 20s to the 30s to the 40s to the 50s to wars and actions and prohibitions and political things. And so many things were happening in history. And every time something happened in history, it changed the way people behaved. And I think that we're kind of in the same place where things have happened. We've had COVID. We've had different things happen in our world and in our society, and things shift. We've got technology, and technology has taken us into so many different places, the good, the bad, and the ugly. But it is the way it is. And I'm not going to say it is what it is, but stop getting bogged down in the way it should be and lean into the way it is. And when we embrace that, it actually helps us to open our minds to different ideas and different ways of thinking about how do restorative practices work better in our schools versus some of the old ways of doing things. How does in-school suspension change into in-school intervention? How does incorporating play into the delivery of curriculum make such a big difference? If you always rely on the way you did it years ago or the way it should be, you'll always struggle with the way it is.